Hi guys, my name is Johan from Restoration the Bike, and in this video I'm going to show you what I do to clean a bicycle chain. I am going to use a chain cleaner tool like this one. It costs about 20 euros or $20 to $25. And I'm going to use turpentine or white spirit or mineral spirits. For those of you who think that this is not the way to go and you should actually use, like a proper degreaser, I have done that in the past, but that is very expensive. Like half a liter of degreaser might set you back like 15 euros or something, while a liter of this stuff costs you $1 to $2. So there's a huge difference between official bicycle chain degreasers and this household product. As you saw, you might have noticed the mineral spirits weren't clear. They had like a brownish orange look to them. That is because after I use the cleaner, I don't actually throw it away, but I just put it back and the dirt sinks through the bottom. So when I fill the chain cleaner tool, it actually is almost clear, almost clean, and the dirt is at the bottom. So not only do I use fluid, which is like 1/10 of the cost, I also reuse it. And you just saw me putting a towel on the floor or the street so no fluid drops on the ground. It's not very good for the environment, so I make sure to, take care and not to spill anything. So after you've used the chain by putting on the chain tool and doing about 50 rotations with the crankset, the last step I do to clean the chain is what you see me doing here. I use a fairly clean towel, at least one that's not black or anything, but this was white in the past. And I use it to do a couple of rotations, check if there's still any crease on or dirt on the chain, do a couple of rotations, do another check until the bicycle chain is entirely clean. And when there's no longer any, if it no longer leaves any marks, I know it's clean, and I also know that there's no longer any mineral spirits left on the chain as well, because mineral spirits and lube or bicycle grease do not blend very well. That's also the reason why you actually remove grease with the stuff, and so you don't want to have anything on there before lubing the chain. So this is my very, very cheap way to clean a bicycle chain. The tool that you saw was, I've used it for years. I've used it like, I don't know how many times already I've used it. So those $20 is money well spent. And it's highly recommended, to make that investment to do a proper bicycle chain clean. If you like this video, be sure to subscribe and give it a thumbs up. I make a lot of these videos, and I'll see you on the next one.